The Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing company is coming off a stellar performance in July with revenue surging 45%, reaching $7.9 billion. Now, this impressive growth has been driven by very strong demand for artificial intelligence chips, especially from their major clients like Nvidia. Now, with these strong earnings, and analysts are projecting a 37% increase in TSMC's revenue for the quarter, with a total of around, another 15 plus billion dollars. And according to Bloomberg, the July figure suggests that TSMC may even exceed these optimistic forecasts. However, despite this recent strong performance, traders should be aware there is a bit of a historically weak seasonal pattern ahead for TSMC in mid-August. And you can see over the past 15 years, the period from August the 12th through to August the 20th, TSMC has consistently underperformed with an annualized return of minus 51.08% and only 26.67% trades ending in profit. The cumulative profit chart, we can just see there's a notable decline during this period, and the average return is 1.55%. It's a total potentially significant loss during this period, with some outsized falls in these years, and particularly sharp declines in the last sort of 6 years. So, given this a seasonal weakness, there is a risk that TSMC's recent positive momentum could stall in the coming days, and investors may want to be cautious, as historical data does suggest this period has been challenging for TSMC. However, it may also provide a decent dip buying opportunity. You can see on the weekly chart, we've got this bullish piercing line, open well below the day of the previous week's close, and a weekly close that looks set to be well above the 50% retracement level of the previous week. So that's a bullish piercing line pattern, and does this mean that any retracement that we do happen to get around that 150 region is worth buying? Trade risks, there's always trade risks with all outlooks, and the main risk here is if geopolitical risk increases or US inflation surges, then we may see more stock selling. Remember, don't just trade it, season exit. You can sign up here for literally thousands more seasonal patterns just waiting to be revealed.